get a good camera angle. I'm not really sure if I got one, but yeah, I'm trying to tear into this block. This is what I got so far. C13 cat, 06 Pete. Can't get any mechanics to work on it, so I'm gonna do it myself. I'm gonna attempt to do an end frame on it. So, don't know what I'm doing, never did it before. So, I'm gonna do what I can. Do what I can. Eventually, it's either gonna crank or it's not. Let's hope it does. Let's hope it does. The turn down process actually isn't that hard. At least it's not to me. I'm trying to keep everything in order as I take it apart. It's a weird little way I'm doing it, but it's also a little walk I got to do because I'm going to take everything loose that I haven't stuffed in the truck. Like these important parts right here. I'm going to put these in the garage because as you can see, they already got some rust on it. You know, from sitting up all these years in this guy's shop and he never touched it. So whatever situation that I had going on, it just, you know, but I think I can clean those off and, you know, actually get to the meat of why my truck is not running. But, you know, whatever I see, whatever we see, we're going to be seeing it together because I have somewhat of a clue, but, you know, I'm no builder. I can't you know, never say what you can't do. I'm just going to simply say I haven't done it before. So, but these times come you get desperate, you do desperate things. So, I don't know if this is considered desperate, but it's desperate is how I feel. All right, did I take that loose? Yeah, take these off. I think these are the jake brakes. Okay, let me take this one off and go sit it in my special place.